So many brokers out there have run away with people's money, denying people withdrawals, so forth and so on. And that is the main reason why I'm making this video. So if you're a forex trader out there looking for the best platform to actually trade with, when I say the best platform, I mean the best broker to actually trade with, then you need to watch this video till the very end, as I'll be sharing with you my top 5 best brokers out there that are very clean in the industry and will not deny you withdrawals, will not give you excess spread, and at the same time will not give you some crazy shitty stuff that will actually deny you your own money. So guys, the first broker on our list is actually IC Market. Now IC Market is a global broker that they basically work across the whole globe, if I'm not mistaken, because they work in the UAE, Nigeria, in fact the whole of Africa. They work in some parts of Europe as well. So when it comes to traders looking for the best platform to actually trade with, IC Market is one of the best that you can actually give a try to. And according to their information here, they offer raw spread ranging from 0.0 pips. Now one thing you need to know about this raw spread that they are offering is that it's not for all account sizes. So if you are someone who is trading maybe $100, below $500, you might not have access to this raw spread, as this raw spread are limited to some account sizes. However, in general, they are also a good spread. So when you are creating your account, the type of your account, when you are selecting the account type and all of those, they are actually going to tell you if you qualify for this raw spread and so forth on. But that aside, they actually have a very reasonable spread that is very low for you to actually use as a forex trader. And they offer a lot of trading options and other things that you can actually look into. Now when it comes over to their platform, like basically when it comes to you picking trading platforms to trade with, the most important thing is simply the terminals that you actually have access to. And according to them, you have access to MetaTrader 4, which is confirmed, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and then TradingView. Like purposely I actually come across IC Market on TradingView. That's where I first heard about them. So the fact that they are on TradingView even makes it more better, because you can just select your pairs based on the ones they have over here. So when you are doing your analytics, you know that what, okay, this is the information. So because when you do analytics on TradingView and they come over to your normal trading apps, you see that at times there's a little bit of difference in the spread and some information. Now with IC Market that is connected to TradingView, you don't have this problem, because you can just place your trade directly on TradingView, meaning it's going to use the information on TradingView. So for the second on our list is actually my favorite, which is lightfinance.org. Light Finance has been in the industry for over 20 years, and I would say it's one of the best trading platforms out there because they offer a very low spread as well. Now over here, let me just go down and share with you. They offer their trading platform is simply MetaTrader 4 and 5, and then CTrader, and also their own platform, meaning you can place trade on their platform itself. So instead of going out to go download external applications to place your trade, well, Light Finance made it easy. You can actually place your trade within it. I'm actually doing that. Basically, I trade inside the Light Finance app, and I can actually show you right now because I'm shooting the video with that particular phone. Now you can see they offer over 600 plus trading asset for you, and then their leverage is up to 1:1000, which is a very good leverage for you to actually make some cool profit. And then from their spread, they say from 0.0 spread up, which is a spread is also raw like that of IC Market. And when it comes to trade execution, like bro, this is no doubt Light Finance actually beats the game. I've used SNES, I've used other brokers out there, but when it comes to trade execution, I would say Light Finance actually kills the game. And then their processing model is ECN plus STP, which makes it every single thing good. Now when it comes to you actually using Light Finance, the process is simple. Number one, you create an account using the link that will be available in this video description. Now basically check this video description. I'll be dropping a link to Light Finance and also in the comment section as well. Now once you click on that link, you register, you come over to your account, you basically top up. Now they also offer a lot of deposit options. They have the crypto options, they have the normal mobile wallet. So if you're in Ghana, they offer mobile money, and some other part of the world offer mobile money, and all those network providers banking system. Well, it's basically simple. You don't have to stress yourself with a lot of complication. You can deposit directly from there. You can do bank deposit. If you want to do bank deposit, you can do crypto deposit. So basically when it comes to deposit and withdrawing options on Light Finance, you are not limited to any. And Light Finance also operates in a lot of countries out there, whether you're in European region, Africa, some part of South America, and other parts. Light Finance actually operates over there, and their support is also very active. So now if you are in need of another great trading platform that you can actually use, I personally recommend Light Finance. Like personally for me, I currently trade on Light Finance, and so far I haven't had any issue with them. That's why I'm also recommending them. So you can use the link that is available down in the comments Now, next on our list is actually IG Broker. Now, we all know IG Broker is not just a trading platform. Yes, just so you know, it's not just a forex broker alone. It's also a platform whereby stock investors actually go and invest stock. Like personally, when I wanted to start my stock investment, the first platform that actually came into my mind was IG Broker. And the reason why it came into my mind was because of their, like, let me just say, their legitimate and transparency in the market. They make every single thing so transparent and legitimate for you to actually use. And I think this one thing that actually attracts a lot of people to IG Broker as well. So basically on IG Broker, so they also offer some of the best spread that you can actually use. And they are, you can see they offer over 17,000 markets for you to actually trade. This range from forex, indices, normal shares, commodities, cryptocurrency, ETFs, and so forth and so on. So if you're a trader out there, look for another great platform that you can actually trade with. IG Broker is not a bad idea as well, because apart from trading your normal forex or crypto, you can also use it to invest in the stock market as well. Probably buy some stock and then or some bonds and hold in your wallet to actually accumulate and make more profit over time. So guys, the third one on our list here is actually IG Broker. Now the fourth one here is actually SNES. Now SNES is another great trading platform, as we all know. Like basically when you come over to Africa here, I think SNES is the most popular because of their deposit option and also their trade execution system, which is also pretty cool as well. And apart from that, SNES also have a great support. So if you're a trader out there who is also looking for another platform that you actually want to try, you can actually give a try to SNES as well. They have good spread, I'm going to be honest with you. But for SNES, their raw spread actually starts from the raw spread actually starts from the $500 upward. So for you to have the 0.0 spread on some pairs on SNES, you need to at least be using a bigger account, which is actually about $500 upward. So if you have any balance below 500, I'm sorry, you're not going to get a raw spread on SNES. And when it comes to their leverage, they actually give you the opportunity to modify the leverage to the level you actually want. And I think that is cool as well. So if you are someone who is looking for a high risk, you can upgrade to high risk as well. So SNES is another great broker that actually allows you to trade with a lot of platforms as well, which is MetaTrader 4 and 5, and you can also trade within the SNES itself. They also have their own, let me just say, a trading view like interface that is actually powered by them that you can actually use, do your analytics, and also place trading. So on the other hand as well, SNES is also not a bad trading platform out there. So if you're interested in them, you can also give a try to them. As I already said, I personally trade with Light Finance because they offer a lot of trading options from forex, crypto, and then other stuff as well. Now finally on our list is actually XM Trader. Now my first experience with XM Trader did not go well. That was around 2022 or 2021. I can't really recall exactly, but my first experience with them did not go on pretty much well. But recently I've come to realize that they've been making some waves in the forex trading market as well, which make them a good platform for you to actually use as well. Like I have a lot of colleagues on X and then also on my DM actually using XM Trader, and they've not given me any recent complaints lately. So for that, I would say they are also pretty much good for you to use. And when it comes to XM Trader as well, they also offer some decent things that can actually benefit. You can see their tight spread, trade with spread as low as 0.8 pips and above. You can see their spread is ranging from 0.8 pips and above. They say no hidden costs, pay no swap fees, and zero commission. Well, according to XM Trader, you don't have to pay swap fees and commissions for your trade because they are not interested in making money from your trade. And personally for me, after my bad experience with them, I'm going to be honest with you, I've not used them again for the past years. However, due to my research and then other things recently, I see people are still using them, and when I talk to these sort of people, they say they've not had any issue with them. They've been delivering exactly as they promised. So I would say they are also great for you to actually use as well. And then they also offer instant withdrawals with no fees. That sounds interesting. So you can also give a try to XM trading platform out there. It's also a great broker. I would say apart from my bad experience with them, I've not had any other things over the years. So probably 2-3 years is enough for them to actually make changes. And I believe they've made those changes. That's why they have more people. And one thing I actually love about XM Trader, apart from the problem I had with them back then, is that they actually have a good customer support system. Yeah, even when I was having the issue, when I reached out to their customer service, they were very swift in actually helping me. And before I left the platform, they actually refunded my money to me. Down there, I will not argue it. They refunded my money that I deposited back to me without any problem. So I would say they're also a good option for you to try if you're looking for a trading platform to trade with. So guys, these are top 5 brokers that I will actually recommend. Number 1 is IC Markets. Secondly is my favorite, which is one I currently use, Light Finance. They offer copy trading, so forth and so on. IG Broker, SNES, and then XM Trader. So guys, these are all the brokers that I'll promise you that will never run with your money. Like, if any of these brokers run with your money, come back to this video and let me know down in the comment section with that evidence, and we're actually going to get your money back. So guys, with this already said, hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget to join my Telegram community. The link will be down in the video description. So see you in my next video. Bye.